In this video, we are going to study expressions that are helpful to ask a person name in Amharic. So let's begin with the first expression, which is, what is your name? What is your name? Now, how do we say what is your name in Amharic for male and for female? For male, we can say ስምህ ማን ነው? ስምህ, okay? ስምህ ማን ነው? ስምህ ማን ነው means what is your name? Okay, this is Amharic expression and this is an English expression. How about for female? Okay, ስምሽ ማን ነው? ስምሽ ማን ነው? ስምሽ ማን ነው means what is your name for female in Amharic. Alright, so please repeat after me. ስምህ ማን ነው? ስምህ ማን ነው? ስምህ ማን ነው? For female, ስምሽ ማን ነው? ስምሽ ማን ነው? ስምሽ ማን ነው? Alright, let me show you how to write this expression into Amharic letters or fiddles, okay? You can write it like this. ስምህ ስምህ ማን ነው? ማን ነው? Question mark. ስምሽ ስምሽ ማን ነው? So you can put question mark at the end of the sentence. Alright, the second expression that is helpful to ask a person name is, what's her name? Okay, what's her name? What's her name? How do you say what's her name in Amharic? Okay, this expression is an expression to ask a female person name, right? So how do we say that into Amharic? So we can simply say ስሟ ስሟ ማን ነው? ማን ስሟ ማን ነው? Please repeat after me. ስሟ ማን ነው? ስሟ ማን ነው? ስሟ ማን ነው? You can write this expression into Amharic letters like this. ስሟ ማን ነው? Alright, the third expression that we are going to study in this video is, what's his name? What's his name? Or what is his name? How do we say what's his name in Amharic? You can say ስሙ ማን ነው? ስሙ ማን ነው? ማን ነው? Please repeat after me. ስሙ ማን ነው? ስሙ ማን ነው? ስሙ ማን ነው? You can write this expression into Amharic letters like this. ስሙ you can write it like this. ስሙ ማን ነው? Alright, so you may ask, how do you answer this question? How do you answer this question properly? If someone asks you, what is your name? You can answer just by saying, my name is John. So how do we say that in Amharic? Okay, my name is John. My name is John. What is your name? My name is John. How do you say that in Amharic? So you can say John እባላለሁ. John እባላለሁ. እባላለሁ. Okay, John እባላለሁ. So you can simply put your name first, then an expression እባላለሁ next. Okay, then you can read it like John እባላለሁ. John እባላለሁ. This is the end of this video, and I will be able to see you by my next video. Bye for now.